In chapter 19, Lord Vamanadeva begs charity from Bali Maharaj. This chapter describes how Vamanadeva asked for 3 steps of land and charity. And Bali agreed, but his guru, Shukracharya, forbade him to fulfill Vamadeva's request. So someone may wonder that Krishna, Lord Vishnu or Vamanadeva, he's the Sarvaloka Maheshwaram, which is told in Bhagavad Gita. He's the proprietor of all the planets and all the spiritual material world. So why should he be in want of land? Why is he begging 3 steps of land? But Lord Vamanadeva approached Bali not for his welfare, but for the welfare of his devotees. Devotees sacrifice all their personal interest to satisfy the Supreme Lord. And similarly, Krishna, although having no personal interests, can do anything for the interests of his devotees. One who is full in himself has no personal interests. This is a very interesting point, Prabhupada says. One who is full in himself has no personal interests. This is the definition of someone who can be truly unselfish, free from selfishness. Because Krishna is described that he's aptakam and atmaram, satisfied and blissful, pleased within himself, and he has no desire to fulfill. He's not pushed or forced or impelled by any lack or desire within himself or unfulfilled ambition or want within himself. He's satisfied and not... So he can actually be a person who's only interested in others. He can truly care for others because he has no personal interest to take or to receive or to exploit anyone. So when one is full in himself or full in Krishna consciousness, then he will have no personal interest and he can help others be interested in them.